And finally, let me talk a few words about commercial surfactants. These include basic surfactants that are produced in large volumes and specialty surfactants that are used as co-surfactants in many applications. Uh, over 14 million metric tons of surfactants were produced in 2017. Since then, we've had a annual growth of 3 to 4%, most of which is coming from developing markets. Out of this total volume that is produced globally, 56% were anionic surfactants, 35% were non-ionic surfactants, 7% cationic, and 2% amphoteric surfactants. Linear alkyl benzene sulfonate continues to be the most widely used synthetic surfactant, representing about 25% of total volume. It is used in laundry detergents and many cleaners, also in some industrial applications. LAS is a mixture of homologs and isomers with an average chain length of 11.6 carbon atoms. The reason for it being preferred in many applications is due to the cost-performance ratio. Natural fats and oils like coconut and palm kernel and palm oil and petrochemicals also are the raw materials for production of surfactants. In recent years, the tendency has been to use more natural fats and oils. 6 commercially produced surfactants, which add up to over 14 million tons production annually, are soaps, linear alkyl benzene sulfonates, alkyl ether sulfates, alkyl sulfates, and alkyl ethoxylate. I need to point out that this 14 million metric tons does not include soap production. In terms of properties of different surfactants, anionics are high foamers. They are good wetting agents, good emulsifying agents, and they have very good detergency. That's why they're used in cleaning products, in detergents. Non-ionics also have, but the drawback of anionics is the irritation potential, and that has been an issue that has shifted the formulations toward using more non-ionics and amphoterics. Non-ionics are moderate to low foamers. They're very good wetting agents, very good emulsifiers, and good detergency. Cationics are not used in detergents because their detergency is not good, but they're used as disinfectants and also as fabric softener and hair conditioners. Amphoterics are very mild surfactants. Things like betaine derivatives and amphoacetates are extensively used in personal care product to impart a mild cleaning effect. Here are general structure of categories of surfactants: anionics, negative charge; non-ionics, no charge; and cationics with usually quaternary ammonium compounds with positive charge; and betaines, the amphoterics, which have positive and negative charge on both segments. Chemical structure of anionic surfactants are shown here. Wide range of anionics is available to commercial market. And as I said, alkyl ether sulfates, linear alkyl benzene sulfonate dominate the consumption. Here is the structure of alkyl benzene sulfonate. It's, as we mentioned, excellent foaming, wetting agent, water hardness resistance, and very good in detergency. It is a workhorse of laundry detergents. Here is a complete structure of the hydrophobe of alkyl benzene sulfonate. And it's basically a mixture of homologs and isomers. Most surfactants are mixtures of homologs and isomers. This is the apparatus. It's known as multi-tube film reactor that is used for sulfonation or sulfation of surfactant hydrophobes. It's used in production of linear alkyl benzene sulfonate and alcohol sulfate, alcohol ether sulfate. Here's the structure of another anionic surfactant here, alkyl sulfate, which is also a very good foaming, but the drawback is the mildness. To improve that, they add ethylene oxide on the structure of surfactant. So we have alkyl ether sulfate with various degree of ethoxylation. These surfactants are extensively used in shampoos and dishwashing liquids. They have good foaming capacity, and they're good wetting and detergency surfactants. These are chemical structure of amphoteric and non-ionic surfactants. Alcohol ethoxylates are a major component of this list. They're widely used in laundry detergents and other cleaning products. Cocoamidopropylbutane is an amphoteric which is used as co-surfactants in shampoos and liquid soap. And finally, I close with recent development in surfactant technology. Some of the recently introduced surfactants that are with extended consumptions include alkyl polyglucosides. These are eco-friendly and gentle to skin and used in dish liquids and liquid soaps. N-cap ethoxylate, it's oxalate based on Gerber alcohols. Methyl ester sulfonate is used extensively in Southeast Asia. Fatty acid methyl glucamide, they're gentle to skin and are used in liquid soap and personal care products. Fatty acid isothionates, sarcosinate, glutamate are used in solid and liquid soaps. Cocoamphoacetates and propionates are gentle to skin and are used as co-surfactants in dish liquids and personal care products. Then there is the application of mixed surfactants, taking advantage of synergistic effect in mixed surfactants. Anionic, non-ionic mixtures are extensively used in laundry detergents, anionic, cationic also in laundry detergent, anionic, amphoteric in many dish liquids and personal care products. So there is major activity in this area to find this synergistic effect and coming up with more effective and efficient surfactant mixtures. Gemini surfactants are another new family of surfactants that have been introduced, and also biosurfactants. So overall, the tendency is towards using more eco-friendly surfactants and surfactants that are milder to skin, but also at the same time efficient cleaners. This concludes this presentation. I thank you for your attention and look forward to seeing you in another presentation.